Hey everyone, so since we've been talking about colors, we're going to read a nonfiction book called Why Do Rainbows Have So Many Colors? Let's jump in. Nature is wonderful. There are many mysteries to unravel in nature and fun things to learn. As you experience the world, you will make endless discoveries that will intrigue you and amaze you. So why do rainbows have so many colors? Is it because leprechauns hide behind clouds with buckets of paint and paint them? No, that's silly. Rainbows have many colors because they are made from reflective sunlight, and sunlight is actually made of lots of different colors. Sunlight normally shines as a white light, but when the white light hits the rain causes it to separate into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This makes the beautiful rainbow. Why do some trees lose all of their leaves? It is because they love to dance and accidentally shake off all their leaves. Why do you guys think that trees lose their leaves? Those are some really good guesses. Let's turn the page and find out. No, that's silly. Trees lose their leaves because it helps them survive cold or dry weather. Shredding leaves helps the trees to conserve or use less water, food, and energy to make it through the parts of the year that are colder and drier. Only some trees do this, and they are called deciduous trees. Before the leaves shed, they change from green to all sorts of beautiful colors. When do we see this, guys? Do we see this in the fall and maybe in the spring? Raise your hand if you agree. Good job, guys. Let's see what's next. Why do some colors have rain falling out of them? Is it because they are crying and the rain is in their tears? Let's turn the page. No, that's silly. Some clouds have rain falling because they get too full of water. The hot sun causes the water in the ground to evaporate and rise up into the sky. Then, these tiny droplets cool to form clouds. As the clouds grow and gather more and more water, the water droplets combine to get bigger, and once they get too heavy, the water falls out of the rain. Why do volcanoes stay quiet for so long and then suddenly erupt? Is it because they didn't get their way and are throwing a big tantrum? Raise your hand if you think that's it. All right, let's turn the page and find out. No, that's silly. A volcano erupts when pressures of gases build up inside that so much of the volcano cannot contain them. Volcanoes have melted rock or magma inside of them, and magma has gases inside of it. From these gases, bubbles start to form, and this builds an extreme pressure. The pressure makes the magma rise higher and higher until finally it is forced out of the volcano and it spews into the air. Once the magma is outside of the volcano, it is known as lava. How many of you have seen a volcano before? I haven't either. I wish I have. So, why do flowers smell so good? Is it because they spray perfume all over themselves? Raise your hand if you think so. No, but I tell you one thing, I did use perfume this morning. Let's see. No, that would be silly. Flowers smell so good because they are trying to attract insects, birds, and other animals to them. Their pleasant smell comes from their nectar. Flowers need animals to transfer the pollen from flower to flower in order to have pollination. Pollination leads to seeds, which will lead to more flowers. A flower smelling good is nature's way of making sure we will always have more flowers. Nature is amazing. There are so many wonderful things to discover, to spot a rainbow, find a flower to smell, or listen to the sound of falling leaves crunching beneath your feet. It is great to go out into nature and explore and have fun. The end. Raise your hand if you love that book. I did too. Thank you guys for watching.